Chuck, a good friend of mine, is working on this radio, and he sent me a few pictures because he wants me to help him identify this radio. As you can see from the rulers, that this set is only about 10.5 inches high by about 7.5 inches wide. And it has a clock in it, which is, really unusual. Here's the back of the radio. There's no tubes, so I can't do a tube search or a lineup of tubes search to get some information on this radio. But there is a little information on the variable capacitor. And here's a close-up of what's on the back of that capacitor. Now the name at the top, I don't know if that's the manufacturer of the radio or of just the variable capacitor. But according to this, it's got a U.S. patent, which is interesting. So here's a picture of one of the electrolytic capacitors, peak voltage of 500 volts, looks like 8 microfarads. And here is what the chassis looks like. You can see that it has 6 tubes in it. They're all 5-pin except for the one at the lower right, which is 3 pins. But these 5-pin tubes are much smaller. Also, while I was looking at this, I don't see any IF cans, so this is probably a TRF radio, tuned radio frequency. Now, Chuck also put a ruler across a couple of these sockets, and you can see that they're very small. So these are not US 5-pin tubes. So I'm hoping somebody can give us some help identifying this radio. This is really very, very interesting to me. I have not seen anything like this before. Thanks for watching.